This is the first edition of Asem for 2025. Yemiahunyina afishiapa. Yeda tete krafo amwa Nyankopon ayebiafo no ase. Se na dumara kwa odi afefoforo asa afemiembiem. We believe say afiwe ye nyina betu anamon a ebeboa maye man no kanko etimiawie peyo. Ye nyina ye wo chefa ewom. Ye nyina wo bika. Ye nyina wo bihwe. Ene ye nyina so bitie. Ba ye tie ye hwe ye kan nyina ne so ye tu anamon a ebe fit into the purpose of our country's development. Mede dia kwasi ensia. Asemi de kabre ena edruso. So our first edition na ka be ye enkranhye ene kwa betimi afa so enyine betutu ya brabo eyiye se na be ya ye kọ ye nim this year yi abrabo no mebu enkumfa enfa so but enyine anim we had a transition, we had a change of government, not just change of government from one party to the same party, but from one party to a different party, different regimes all together. After that, and some way say chire enya abof enye enika enya kono and start ye enye ne and a sans me back was be start. It's not here be do komwa. We are titled The Unpunishable Offences in Ghana. Boni ankrofo bi ye oye mamu a ye punish you mo and on komo na be na no pay. It's so sad. But you can't find except every 4-8 years biano a besity a normal. But the may come see one day the way it is growing. The way now first now grow the corner. A bedroom rebino. Name ye papa and farmer ye. Somewhere 2017, I think on the 9th of January. Yes, understand. But I'm sure a first video, no. What happened to ASP Nanka Bruce? War Jubilee House, them Flagstaff House. Police knew only na Juma. There was change of government. It will be a civilian see on Nanka Bruce will issue. So that was the time of me paying it back because Abanya Sasa am an Abayaba. At that time. To see police ni so share video no to na see police ni no eso Trump police ni bro police ni sa because obi ano so ni Nanka Bruce what issue esa fe na the party NPP aba power. That was 9th January 2017 when President Adom Danko former president I resume office. That was the time obi office so ye MPP ni oni ASP Nanka Bruce ekwa attack no. Emra nya adwuma. Emra enya adwuma. Mama show second video about when MPP took over. Eniema hu do bia esisi o mamu. We do second video no ade MPP take over 2017. Hwe niema bia esisi wo ye mamu. Yenye pani biya mananka wasem. These are some of the things that MPP taking over 2017. Esisi wo yemem. Nem penifo memu. Obia ye din, obia keep quiet as if say BBNC ye. Obia ye din. Say BBNC ye fa normal because Asem rebi atwam it was 2017 so e bi so say it was so I asked myself, why do we then vote for a change? If you continue to do the bad things now, you're voting against now. We are voting for a change because and near me say, they may change me say, yampe. And you see, voting for change. Yes, I come back to Sunday morning. Then why do we spend time to go and vote? Sebinyan Sanim. Niana Yara okra ewo mu yese. Enyo mo fu soldiers mu bia dom koyesa agbe na brew. Empanifo no menye hwehan e ma sere ma sei ekoso no. They will suffer. And they will keep quiet. Fan quarter video, me chairman for any me course so wabra MPP take you over 2017. Yes, we see a good vigilante groups. Yes, we see vigilante be any woman. Fisa sambrante asambre na enenam. Eji amam focus. Akwa me abronye DC. Kwa me ba for Asem na making. Die ne man wanye no krumba. Die ne man kwa abronye anye no my way. I remember this guy, I say Apia Stadium. Krofo konfie kwa shine car because apan asesa. Apan asesa. It's so sad. Maybe I make come say awreho. Same man be to akoso aye say ya say aban sesa na de bi o say bro nkrofo ye de patapa asem ekogye amanfo atwem free office there. Then o man wo akire. You going to pa. Man too fancy MPP timing. Abra end to take over and say yen. Fam go first one mo call Boston. Ko hwe mo call mo gina bonsa yes. Me video na 10. Abaya sesa on. Abaya sesa. Eti mrante bi omye end statutory for say all of a sudden man ni ayo modia. Etu ya ban dwuma ni kura ya fo adwuma o so free office. Me hwe ba ko bi. That other video bi Adom. That's omo ko adi grip power. Yes, ba ko that boy say omo kasa no. Yes. Me patuma me hwe me tie we. Ties one omo eka. Yan ko back na patch omo ties one omo eka. That afatum na amanfo ties one omo ka.
2 weeks ago, where people have been promoted, people who have been given jobs, who have been employed. Why do we need employment? We employ people to make sure our country is better. Exactly. We cannot employ people who make our country the more worst of it. We are here to tell anybody that has been employed, from management to security or whoever it is. We are telling them that now our government is in power. We have, after yesterday, some of you are aware that we got a new energy minister. We are saying that all those people must pack their baggages and leave. Because for the past 8 years, we have not seen, if for anything, and when we got to poll today, we should have seen our country growing, our country going better. But we are rather seeing more deterioration. We are fed up. We are fed up. So all of them should pack their things and leave. All management should go because they can't manage. Because they sit in the air conditioning. We are sitting in the sun and we are struggling. We are saying that enough is enough. They should pack their things and go. Tell my receptionist she wants to be part of you. We'll make sure she lives here right now. Not even tomorrow will stop us because the country belongs to all of us. If any of you is employed in we and you can make a living, we also deserve a living. We also have families. We just want the country to be better. We are here just to make this simple. For Mr. Jamesi, Mr. Samuel Kofi Jamesi, I know him personally, I know him very well. To his deputy, to everybody, we are telling them enough is enough. That they can manage that they should pack their things and go. This is a time coming. We will not come the next time. When we come the next time, nobody will stop us at this day.
Utie mrantere some more ekana. Straight away say penny be any Ghana. I'm telling you, there's no leader in Ghana. Because a leader of Ghana ain't see. No, ain't see. Ain't see. Me see ya share and one man kind of crunch there one. Or man be fairly. With what audacity? And ultimately, Nyaboro be a dream say, or be a full man, won't pay my wire for you, my trust in Yajuma, because of about power. And he himself was saying, enough is enough. So can't we say to ourselves, enough is enough, Ghana? And I'm telling you, both leadership of MPP and NDC are aware of Omniumran Teneyan. And they support it. And you should oh, stop it. They are supporting them. They are in support of the Omniumran, both MPP and NDC. It will be a by you are on cabin shame. Now could be a corner the idea bonitim, all because your father do my way in the Jumo, and will be seen a party about power or so Janet my way. Does it sebi make sense? Does it make sense? Penny no money. My best never come to me. I can't tell say if the president come to tell you say stop and you won't stop. Penny no money. And where you muye obi no be chine da. Say for man people time. Abronya mo ye to omo. Obi no be chine da. Ye be wie kire sa compensate omo. See, I'm a catch when man can't crown fan children. These are vigilante guys. They are not just party supporters. Some of their actions, are fueled by Nkrofo and we have no idea about. They say time will come. They'll say to us, say, they'll not even allow the president-elect to get into the highest office. That is where man wants to say you didn't sebi isem. And now you can okay. And this new to be your heaven. And MPP time. It is sebi ye the intimate conscious baby a baby. You didn't quite as much as you caso. Intimate casanche. And MPP nibesu to baby. No, she in 2017 a year or mubine. Free so chem na ban super power also prepare and conference better get you. And I know share e say ablekuma no okaikwe central mrante be see baba Sadiq ni akotweja e de atoka akwa mu see a blocky roads ya nchi obia ya nya obia hwe eti akwan na yenye sika emfa enye no ye say bi. And none of fire service for car. Na kwabrane akotobuo e de abom. Fire tenders wo enkrahan nyina eye 14. Enye ne wukra mfa maye. Say the nation's capital fire tenders one eye 14. Na no kantamantu jakese so ye. Emu 13 no me de call honum. E kwatwe how long it took them some to me do say ja no. Obi sa de abufo because the party about power. To go to board the above fire service for ekemu aseka no it abana wo ba na kada na so no wo say precount for the atoro it dem bisa party for info say since mo nya sa so tan na mo ye e o party headquarters one na e be cost o man nyina and na me hunu Justin Frimpong ko your statement na so ye nya atwom ono party for ye nya atwom. And now no minority group, Alexander Afenyo Markin, no me press conference, they are condemning. No, so we nyachum. Where were you when Abronye and his school were causing same? Justin Frimpong Kojia. Mami Patricia PJ. Frank, I'm not prayer, we a press conference. No more condemn, no. People say, where were you? When you find the partisan politics. Or to we get to governance politics, no, or man in Kodanimda. I want a situation whereby the national chairman of NDC can look into the eyes of people and say, arrest them. They are causing nuisance to the nation. Then we know say we are moving forward. But don't say look at the national chairman. I want to hear President Mahama say, I am the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Arrest those people. Sanity needs to prevail. But what are you doing? Vice President, are you doing? Party leadership, are you doing? And the statement, and I started in a course. But see, one day, they will block the president-elect from accessing his office. When you so my Ghana, you didn't quite Asem. Man found quite you have 7 some Rubin so Mabun so well so acquire. My video no. Way a year a dra. Ye was antimantem. Some Mabun so say omu colleague back who conda prison and coach or yare medical hospital mu almost so buafu. Yasha say please for cars. A pie, please for glasses. And you're more secret and break it down. Because there's no leader in Ghana. Security and break it down. There's a BFA said the situation a woman no obet be the same some BFA. Say no BFA. Say some be of course be obet me DB. There's no leader in Ghana. Because a leader power of Ghana say NC. Say because who susu what you say you say police for the nam so ma colleague no wadamfo no ewuye etu nya bibia na obufu ye no wan fa sika na anwo ho wo de akose police for ejapade no please now say the so fa ho bai police car na akose dey say please no to fa ho bai eyam so fa ho any same vein e maburu na wo adwira sabuko di sansem hunu we no bisa ho say Saman 40 shots, that's a police for no. I do a sasha or them from near honey a boa. How will you feel? Ube feel say. In your penny be a man in Tiakwa de be a woman. Because it will be a so say, you bet cats at the Nimbasa. And yet to a man JJ Musa. For how long? And could see that pain Ghana. Enko si da ben ene beto akoso aye ehu se ya hweka ban yi ebro so de kire se abanda da agya honom. So why do we continue to cause other debt? Ekagwo da aban so ba beko etu na so ye NDC ni no adenti na so ko block kwa na wo chitai e wo kwan so makwan ne sei na bansa ko pesika de be sa akwan krona abanya nyeska me amafu na sa na msem akwan aye asai aban be so obeye muso muti ere mo nyina so muhu ne asem nsem hu na mabru no edi obi aso wonkasa ehwe ne ye na mse ba bia keka kon ehu so every time bia since 2000 years how do we start here every time bia there's a change of government from one party to the other no the level of disturbances no anymore. This time I take it another level. The next time obi any maybe ebesi. We say yem penning for wo memu. Na sabi yentimi se kire se country tita for say ensem hu na sabi mudi no na munyai. Na be yedin ahwa mo sa etoje ye nara. Ede ni akwasensia. Da bia me ka to se Nyankopon ma kandifo a adwi o man Ghana ho. Nye peseme nkum nya kandifo. Enye wona pe won kasa ye die wona be pra ma o ma yetum pan ko nanim asemedika pese mo eto aso akra asem yidika